They will go after people who are reporting false information. And in the email, they name the AJC, TMZ, the National Enquirer, and Daily Mail. Now, I have a source inside the hospital who's giving me reports on her condition. I will have that for you coming up in the 6 o'clock hour. We're live in Atlanta. Daniel Wilkerson, CBS 46.
You're all congested.
Daniel, thank you. Do stay with CBS 46 for continuing coverage on Bobby Christina's condition, and you can always get information anytime you want. It's there for you on our website at cbs46.com. Well, just some incredible video from Ohio this evening.
A house is leveled and people run.
He's got this smile on his face.
What may have caused this home to blow up?
But first, a brutally cold, nasty, wet storm pounds the Northeast again. Tracy Hutchins is coming up with the newest pictures, and our chief meteorologist, Jim Kosick, will show us the impact.
Tonight on CBS 46, don't miss all new episodes of NCIS, NCIS New Orleans, and Person of Interest. Then, stay tuned for CBS 46 News at 11 with Scott Light, Stephanie Fisher, and Tracy Hutchins.
Hey, this chicken fried your straight to hide my bones swings meal.
You done now?
Now, I found a way to hide myself from the boss man. So
Was that everything?
In peace and quiet. Hola.
Son, we need you out here.
You can't see me.
I can totally see you.
I'm chicken flies.
The boneless wings meal with new spicy honey barbecue sauce. Served with
Are you gonna
celery,
sneeze
bread,
again?
fries, and a small drink. And order your own chicken flash t-shirt today at Zaxby's.com. Zaxby's.
No, you don't have the look on your face.
So is my